Ever wondered why your body suddenly goes hic, hic, hic out of nowhere? Hiccups happen because of a tiny muscle under your lungs called the diaphragm. Normally, the diaphragm moves smoothly when you breathe, but sometimes it spasms suddenly, pulling air quickly into your lungs. Right after that, your vocal cords snap shut, making the famous hike sound. Things like eating too fast, drinking soda, laughing a lot, or sudden temperature changes can trigger hiccups. That is why tricks like holding your breath or drinking water slowly sometimes stop them. So the next time you hiccup, remember it is just your diaphragm having a tiny muscle glitch.